Did you know that there are over 7,000 types of cryptocurrencies available today, each with its unique features and mining requirements? The diversity in cryptocurrencies means that some, like Monero and Dogecoin, are known for their low hardware requirements, making them accessible for new miners. This variety not only influences the potential rewards for miners, but also defines the technical specifications needed for effective mining. Understanding these requirements is essential for anyone looking to enter the world of cryptocurrency mining. As you explore various types of cryptocurrencies, pay attention to their differences in mining difficulty and hardware needs. This will help you determine which cryptocurrencies could be the most profitable and feasible for your mining endeavors. Setting up a mining operation doesn't have to be expensive. Many enthusiasts start with basic setups before scaling up. Learning how to optimize your hardware for specific cryptocurrencies can significantly enhance your mining profitability. By following video tutorials and guides, you can gain insight into the best practices for mining. This knowledge will empower you to make informed decisions about which cryptocurrencies to mine based on your available resources. Engaging with online communities and forums can provide valuable tips and insights into the constantly evolving world of cryptocurrency. Collaboration with others passionate about mining can enhance your learning experience and success in this exciting venture. Staying updated with the latest cryptocurrency news is crucial for miners, as market trends can affect profitability. By understanding blockchain technology's advancements, you can better position yourself in this dynamic sector. Regularly analyzing your mining results will help you refine your strategy and improve efficiency over time. Participating in webinars or virtual conferences can provide insights from industry experts and keep you ahead in the cryptocurrency mining landscape. Creating an optimal mining environment is just as important as choosing the right cryptocurrency. Understanding market fluctuations can assist you in deciding when to hold or sell your mined coins for maximum profit. Celebrating small victories in your mining journey can keep your motivation high. Each achievement, whether it's hitting a mining target or learning a new strategy, contributes to your overall growth in the cryptocurrency space. Setting clear goals and reminders can help you stay focused on your cryptocurrency mining objectives. Attending tech expos also offers exposure to cutting-edge innovations in mining technology that could enhance your operations. Following a structured roadmap can guide you from a novice to an expert in cryptocurrency mining. Seeking mentorship or guidance from experienced miners can provide tailored insights that accelerate your learning process. Investing time in educational resources, such as books and online courses, can deepen your understanding of cryptocurrency dynamics. Using flowcharts to visualize decision-making processes can simplify your choices and lead to better mining outcomes. Participating in workshops can enhance your skills and network within the cryptocurrency community. Utilizing digital dashboards helps you track real-time mining performance, making it easier to adjust strategies based on current data. Using a cryptocurrency wallet app can streamline managing your earnings and transactions efficiently. Engaging with tutorial videos allows you to visualize different mining techniques, fostering a better understanding of complex concepts. Engaging in online forums not only keeps you informed about industry trends, but also offers a platform for sharing experiences and advice. Regularly reviewing your cryptocurrency portfolio helps you stay aligned with your financial goals and assess your investment performance. Understanding the energy consumption associated with different cryptocurrencies is vital for evaluating their sustainability. Analyzing mining efficiency reports allows you to optimize your setup, ensuring that you maximize returns while minimizing costs. Exploring environmentally friendly mining practices can not only reduce your carbon footprint, but also enhance your appeal as a responsible miner. Engaging in discussions about green mining can open doors to new techniques that benefit both the planet and your profits. Creating informative presentations on various mining strategies can help you clarify your thoughts and share knowledge with others. Presenting your findings in group settings also encourages collaboration and enriches the learning experience for everyone involved. Participating in live Q&A sessions can provide direct answers to your pressing questions about cryptocurrency mining. Attending seminars featuring industry experts can greatly enhance your understanding and keep you updated on the latest trends and technologies. Summarizing key takeaways from workshops or seminars can reinforce your learning and help you implement new strategies effectively. Utilizing virtual reality technology for simulated mining experiences can offer unique insights and enhance your practical understanding of the process. Setting up a high-tech workstation can significantly improve your mining efficiency by allowing you to monitor multiple aspects of your operations simultaneously. Collaborative brainstorming sessions can inspire innovative mining methods that may give you an edge in the competitive landscape.